What's up, YouTubers?
Look at
Today,
this. Jerica.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Anyway, today, this is part 2
Can I...
of the slime making.
Your hair.
Your hair.
Oh, it's okay.
So, as you can see, this is part 2. And like I said in the last video, you can always use our recipes to make the slime.
This? Yeah, mayonnaise. Oh, we don't
So,
have.
as far as you can see, I'm sorry I haven't really made it. I'm really sorry I haven't really made any videos for a long time because I literally had no idea what to even make.
Can put?
So here I am making the slime for all of you guys. Let's just hope it doesn't turn out to be a fail, huh?
Okay, we just decided this. She'll be the recorder. I'll be the one who adds stuff, and you'll be the mixer. So. Okay.
All right.
These sticks. Can I have one stick? Oh, look at this.
Oh my goodness, what a mess.
Yeah. This is also.
So I'm going to be the interviewer.
Hi, my name is
Olivia, my BFF.
Via.
No, not VB.
Her name is Via.
No. I'm gonna go on the bed and record from that angle. Anyway,
Okay, sorry if I forgotten. Oh my god.
forgotten what?
My slime vending machine.
Oh my goodness. Yeah. Now, when I say what's up YouTubers, I don't meant the YouTubers. I meant the people of YouTube and the people who visit YouTube to watch videos. So, I'm not just talking about the people who use YouTube. I'm talking about the people of YouTube who come and watch videos. So please like and subscribe my videos, viewers out there. Ouch! Are you okay?
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Ew, my hand. I will wash
Wait.
it.
Yeah, you should go wash it right now. Okay, so Olivia's helper, Margarine, is...
Hi.
Yeah, you're on YouTube, you're gonna be famous.
Oh my god. What?
Think so? Margarine is actually mixing the slime right now. And yeah, it's actually pretty good. It's actually
Only
going-
glue?
Huh?
Glue?
Glue. I think
Glue
we're-
and what's in here?
glue,
What's
shaving,
ingredients
glue,
in here?
shaving gel, lotion,
Oh.
corn flour, a bit of baking soda.
Yeah. Okay.
And then
I
what's
guess
next?
that's all. I guess that's all.
And some activator.
we need a
This is Olivia's vending machine. Of course, we're using the activator right now. And it's
It's
kind of
not.
starting to form.
You know what?
forming.
Yeah,
Maybe
I'll
we-
just put everything I think that's right, okay?
Mhm. Now she's
Oh,
putting
that's so
in the
What is it?
shaving cream.
Shaving gel.
Shaving gel. Sorry.
Whatever it is.
So
I
forming.
think I'm gonna sit up here and
And it's what's next?
Can I take the corn
Powder.
soda?
now we're using baby powder. It's literally like a rocket.
That was nice.
I'm gonna get down here and watch it from the
Can
stand.
you give me the corn flour?
Oh, and I think it's
Here's the corn flour.
forming right now.
It's forming. That's
Uh,
great.
I don't think so.
I can
Yeah.
I can smell baby powder.
Yeah.
Is it nice?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Look at my hand.
Oh my
I just
goodness.
washed my hand.
And that. Can I have the other popsicle stick there? Thanks. Let's see how it feels for me. I gotta scrape all of these off.
Let me try stirring it so I don't know how it. I think it's working though.
Yeah.
We need some.
Can you go and take the other packet of the corn corn flour, please, cause there's like not a lot there.
I think we have.
He's just gonna go take it. Just stir it. Okay, you'll be the stirrer for a while first. Okay. Okay, I think it's still. Sorry. It's okay.
Oh, it is getting a bit fluffy.
Like a big glue fluffiness. Okay, and you guys. Yeah.
There's a little bit left.
And you guys, if you don't know about this, look at the YouTube video you're looking at and look at the YouTubers. Look at this. Look, okay, turn the camera to you.
Oh, wait, what?
This is
So
how long her hair is until her butt. I think so. What?
That's
I'm
something
saying.
personal. I think.
But it's so long.
Yeah.
I can't
Hold
count.
on. Oh no, that's the 2 sticks. They have fallen. As you can see, glue is really sticky. I think we need some more activator.
Yeah.
The contact solution.
Where's the contact solution?
You're pouring in all of the corn flour.
Yeah.
Really smart, actually. Grab all the corn flour.
The other packet of corn flour.
But just a little bit left.
Oh.
Oh, be careful. And,
Ah!
and there's
It's
slime
got on my hand. Don't worry, it's just corn
Yeah.
flour. It feels like flour. Soft, squishy flour. Ah! Oh no!
And this why I say maybe my aunt be the ones mixing it.
Yeah.
It got on my leg.
Yeah, I think I know.
Give us a second to first.
Do that.
Oh my goodness. I need another tissue.
Okay.
It's crazy.
Yeah, it's all the corn flour I have.
And I think it's baby powder also.
Oh my goodness. It's so
like
crazy.
a baby
Look,
powder.
the corn flour is like baby powder.
I know,
It
right?
makes my skin lighter.
Yay! Awesome.
It's okay, later I'm gonna bathe.
Oh, it's
Okay.
turning a dough.
It's turning. Hold on. Look. Oh, wait. I need a
the
popsicle
contact
stick.
solution.
Contact solution.
Contact solution.
There. Wait. We bought there. It's there.
Yeah. Wait. I need the popsicle stick though. I need a popsicle stick.
Wait. Give her the popsicle stick
Where? Here.
on your hand.
It's sticky.
Oh, it's sticky. Oh my
I'm
goodness.
just scraping every.
I don't like sticky.
Okay, look what this. Look what your YouTuber just did to me. I hate being dirty.
It's accident.
It's
Okay.
okay.
Yeah.
I didn't.
I
say-
feel like it's forming. It's forming, guys.
Okay, you guys got confused because we
Oh,
keep
I'm
adding.
sorry.
You guys got confused because we keep adding whatever we think is correct. The correct ingredients will be glue,
And
lotion, then shaving gel,
And then?
after that, what is the name? I see.
I don't know. I just like this spot.
Please
I
read.
think we need more contact
Then
solution.
after that, you need to put some corn flour, and after that, you need to put a pinch of baking soda, a pinch, okay?
Pinch only.
Yeah.
Guys, I think it's working. I can
Yeah.
feel it forming.
Okay, we'll do it again. Come on.
Yeah, I think it's forming also, and we
And
need
somebody can
more.
And of course, this is my BFF's house, so I'm just visiting.
Okay, move there. Right. I'm using the
Yeah, it's
It's
forming.
my
It's forming. This is amazing.
If my dad's home, he will like OMG. Okay, let me try.
Oh, it's forming, guys.
Forming.
We need more.
I think we need more.
Yeah, I think so.
More.
The bad thing that is at the last is that you have to use your hands after that.
Yeah, but
Are you
it's okay.
using
And
one?
it's yeah.
Okay, it's working. It's
Oh my god!
It's
I'm so
forming,
excited.
guys.
And so excited to play with it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so am I.
So am I.
Are you copying me?
No.
It's a corn flour.
It's corn flour.
Guys, actually forming the slime. It's actually a success.
Guys, it's actually fun. The slime is actually a success.
And we need more contact solution to form
Yeah, the biggest
to make it the real slime.
Dorito slime.
Yeah.
I'm so excited.
Oh,
And it's
you
forming
guys.
here.
I just want to play with it right now.
Yeah. And I want to
Sorry.
stir it and stir and stir and stir and stir. It's like a bread.
Okay, can you help us stir? Me and Jericho stir. While I need to rest.
Yeah.
Somebody help me use.
Oh, 1, 2, 3. When I say mix.
Drink some water.
Mix.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, it's like amazing.
My arms are tired. I think I need.
Oh, I
Some
have
of you might see the YouTube video, which is like just wood glue, just the glue and the shaving gel.
I have
but
4 popsicle
yes,
sticks.
it's good, but we are making it like super stretchy and super fluffy. That's why it needs more like stuff. Can I try now?
You have to.
What if we use our hands?
Yeah, later.
Yeah, later.
We may put that.
Oh, it's so satisfying. I
Baking
can't. Oh my
soda.
god, it's so
Just
satisfying.
a little bit baking soda.
And launch the next part where we use our hands. Yup. Stay tuned till the next video. See ya, guys. Bye, tubers.
Bye.
Chef, how many subscribers do you have? 149, but I think it's increased. I don't really know.
Wow, I just got 26.
26. Awesome.
26 what?
Subscribers.
You have?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You
You know
YouTube
she
channel?
has.
She had 149.
Oh, really?
Anyway, thank you guys for subscribing. And about the gift box thing, I'm pretty sure it's not that true. I don't even know how to do that anyway. So please don't unsubscribe if you know, yeah. If you enjoy my videos, like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. And you can get a shout out. You can get a shout out. I think you can get a shout out. Shout outs are now allowed in this video.
And one more thing is that is that if you want to make a slime pillow like what we are gonna do, we're gonna use the paint and maybe not glitter because it's gonna stick. We're gonna use the paint and make it different colors like the rainbow, and after that we're gonna put in a package. So you have to buy like a package from Daiso for just $2 if you want to make a slime pillow. And make a super big one to make it
Have
colorful.
you opened it?
Okay, what?
Have you opened it?
No, it's there. Okay, wait.
So-
Can I try recording it?
Wait, hold on. Don't press the red button.
Okay.
So guys, if you want to get a shout out.
Okay, what?
So if you want to get a shout out, comment down below. It could be a hate comment, it could be a like comment, it could be a fan comment or anything like that. Just anything. Just like, subscribe, and comment down below. And you'll get a shout out from me. Bye, tubers.
Bye.